All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We are in a special treat for you here in beautiful Kissimmee Lakefront House, just under 2,000 square feet, 3-2, completely brand new. The only thing that was left was the blocks before, so it's basically a brand new house inside and out. So let's go check it out. All right, so welcome to paradise here. Beautiful wood plank porcelain tile. We come in through the living room actually, is the entrance, with sliding glass doors here, as well as triple glass doors there. And then we come into the family room, which is a great size. We have the arched ceilings, which makes it feel nice and big and cozy. And then we have the completely remodeled kitchen as well. So with the granite countertops, classy white, brand new cabinets, the wine bar, all these different features, the new backsplash, brand new Samsung appliances. We have the garage access over here, so give you a minute to just take it all in because it's incredible. Lots of lighting in the front and back of the house. And then we come through the dining area as well, which it's already an open floor plan for you. And so have the nice fireplace as well. And then let's go check out the master suite. All right, so on the right side of the house here, we have the 2 bedrooms and the full European style bathroom, which you'll see in the photos there. And then we come into the master suite. So we have the walk-in huge closet, which would be a hers, right? And then this is the his side, the smaller double door closet as well, with access, which we'll check out in a minute, to the back. And then we have the master bedroom with a built-in bar and a direct access to the backyard, the view, very crystal clear, as well as side lighting, plenty of lighting in this house. And you'll see this beautiful master bathroom here in the photos. And so let's go check out the back. All right, so coming out of the direct access right from the master suite, we come on to the paver patio as well. And you'll notice the outside of those access doors here from the main living areas. And look what we have. Beautiful fish lake frontage. And so, as you can see, it's a very nice sized lake, connects to other lakes. There's plenty of room for a dock as well. It's already cleared out there. And so just ready for you to do whatever you'd like back here. Brand new sod. I mean, you could of course add a pool, plenty of space for it. And just enjoy the beautiful Florida nature and serene tranquility here. So you gotta come check it out. 1400 Emerald Drive here in beautiful Kissimmee, right before St. Cloud, just down 192. And so great location for all your other fun adventures here in Central Florida. My name again here is Philip Colbridge with TopOrlandoHomes.com. You can see more on the website as well about this house, and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We hope to see you real soon. Thank you.